Welcome to another quick tip sniffle valve video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create buttons that will be the same width regardless of the amount of text in the button, and also how to align it to the left and to the right. This came up in the Elementor Facebook group a couple days ago. So let's get started and show you how to do that. Now I'm going to add a 4-column section. The reason I'm doing that is because the easiest way to get your buttons the same size, regardless of the text, is to have them occupy the full width of the column. So in this case, I'm going to put buttons here for the left and buttons here for the right. So let's start off and drag us in a button. And to get it to fill the column width, we click the Justify alignment. And we'll leave the small size for now. It's just the layout we're looking for. So the icon I want to use is the angle. We'll look for that. And I want the angle left. And I want it before. Pardon me, I'm thinking the wrong one. I want it after. And I got the wrong one. I want the angle to the right. We'll get it. Okay, so next thing we need to do is to give us a class name to that button. And we're going to call this one text left, because we want to, you can call it whatever you like, but this kind of gives us an idea what we're up to. So I'm going to copy that, go over here to custom CSS, and click in here, hit the period. Because it's a class, we need the period to precede the selector, and we'll paste in text left, space, another period, and the parent, which is elementor, see if I can spell that right, button, space, bracket, return, and then we go text, align, and we'll accept that and say left. And just like that, I'll click update. Now just to show you, we'll duplicate the button. Click here, go to content, click here and here. You can see it still stays the same. So we could come down here and we could duplicate this one. We'll do this one up here and here and there too. You can see how it wrapped down a little bit. That's okay. We'll just do that. Narrow those up. And there you go. Now we can do and just drag these around so they make a little bit more sense. And update. Look, preview. Oop. And there we go. So as you can imagine, to do it the opposite, we'll get our button here in this column. And the same thing, justify. And the icon, we want an angle, so we'll start typing angle. And we want the angle to be to the right this time, or left I should say, because our text is going to be to the right. And then go over here to the button, advanced tab, and we'll say text right is going to be our class name. We'll copy that so we don't have to type it again. Come over here to custom CSS and the period, paste in the class name, space, period, elementor, button, brace, text, align, we want right this time. And like that. And again, we can duplicate that. Go here, and here, and here, and here. Oops, and there too. Update, and we'll just preview that and that. So there you go, and that's how you can get nice, even looking buttons. Like I said, the way to do it is to uh, have them fill the complete width of the column and use other columns to space them equally, or however your layout requires them. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.